This is a synthetic division problem. When we do synthetic division, there's only a few things that we need to remember, and I think it is way easier than doing long division when we're working with polynomials. So the first thing is, when we set up our equation, this is what's this polynomial is being divided by. So I look at this number right here. If it is a -3, I put the opposite inside my box. The opposite of -3 is going to be a +3. And then I list out my coefficients, making sure not to forget any terms. So if I'm starting with a z to the 4th, I get to put my 6 in front there. And I need to account for my z cubed that's missing. So as a placeholder, I'm just putting a 0 in for my 0 z cubes that are here. I add the 3 in for the z squared, the -9 in for the z, and the other thing that is missing from this is my constant term, so I also need a 0 there. And then we just deal with our long division, or our synthetic division, the way we usually do. We bring down this 6, we do 3 times 6 is 18. We add that to 0. That's 18. I'm pretty sure that's 54. Let me double check. 18 times 3 is 54. We add those together. 54 plus 3 is 57. 57 times 3 is, I have no idea, 171. We do 171 plus a -9. That's going to be 162. And then 3 times 162 is 486, which is huge. And we move that down to 486. Our fourth number is always the remainder, and then I have my polynomial right here. If this was a z to the 4th, my first term is going to be a 6z cubed. My second value is going to represent my z squareds, and it just works its way down with the powers. This is going to be a 57z to the 1st, and then my constant term 162, and my remainder is going to be 486 over what I was dividing by, and that's this right here, z minus 3. And this is that answer. Ooh, it's huge.